Hey guys, it's Alexa and
Molly.
and we're going to show you guys how to make and eat spring rolls. Let's go. Okay, so we have rice noodles, shredded boiled chicken, pork belly, bean sprouts, cilantro, other herbs. We have basil, jalapeno, cucumber, lettuce. Here's our hoisin sauce, rice paper, water to dip the rice paper in, and some roast duck.
Back again with our second roll. We should have a contest to see who can eat the most spring rolls.
You
Mm. I'm a greedy girl. I don't like taking baby bites. You really only need a few of these to get full, but you'll have leftovers for days. Eat more.
This sauce, mine is too thick.
Ah, it splashed me. Also, ask questions that you would like to know the answer to. But please keep it appropriate. What y'all want to know?
I don't like talking when I eat, so if that's what y'all want to do, don't do me. I'm polite.
Not me. I mean, I'm polite, but I can be impolite. Try it. Try it. So, do you think that you would give this a try? Have you ever had spring rolls before? If you would already like to try them made instead of making them yourself, they're most commonly found at like Vietnamese restaurants, like where you can find if you don't know what it is. Look it up.
Yeah, any pho place has spring rolls. They call it something else?
Mm-hmm. Noodles?
No, I'm talking about spring rolls. Summer roll.
Mm-hmm. Summer rolls. Fresh egg roll. I don't know.
We just got spring rolls.
We just got spring rolls, yeah. But dang, I just finished my second one, and I don't know if I'm about to do another round. I'm getting kind of full. But we do have lots of leftovers for tomorrow. If Bella was here, we might not have no leftovers. I'm just kidding.
We're sisters, by the way. We're not friends. We're not roomies. We're sisters. And I know this because we grew up together. And she used to abuse me when I was a child, so call me adopted.
She used to lie on me, bro. I never abused her.
She used to pinch me on the low.
Yeah, please. She used to pinch herself and make her skin red because she was white as hell, and go to my mom and tell my mom that I did that to her, and her shit would be red as hell.
You gotta add water to it and it makes it more red. The flesh. The flesh.
So she was the bully, the little brother.
I was the police. Hey, if I don't want to hating, you could go eat your little French fries and burgers. Don't hate, okay? Don't do that.
If you don't have anything nice to say, then don't say it at all.
No, say it. I'm coming for your ass.
I might come for you too, so try it. Anyways, thanks for joining us for dinner. Please let us know what you would like to see next.
Okay, Siri.
Honestly, I don't fucking know.
We forgot to eat the duck.
I'm not eating no shit. Who eat it?
Our mom brought us some leftover duck, roast duck, and that looks.
I will eat the pork belly because listen to this.
Go to the camera.
What that mean? What that mean? Let's try.
I got the soggy part.
Whoa. Shit, me. Skin is like
The best part. It's crunchy and fatty. Good oily, but it's good. Porky.
very.
Is that pork?
Mm,
Oh yeah.
yeah. Let me eat this piece of lettuce to make me feel better.
Last bite of my spring roll.
Alright, y'all. Next.
Subscribe.
Go ahead.
Subscribe to our channel. Follow our Instagram and our TikTok. And we'll be posting a lot more food videos. Most of stuff that's like our culture.
A little bit of everything.
We're gonna do some challenges too.
But tune in next time on the
Alexa.
and Molly Show.